How to fix Instagram try again later error. In this video, we'll try some of the quick fixes to solve this problem. First of all, take a break from the Instagram app. If you see and try again later error, then stop using Instagram for a few hours to allow the restriction to expire on its own. Secondly, what you can do is avoid spamming likes, comments, or unfollowing too many accounts quickly after some time. Go back and try if the error has gone or not. If the error is still visible, then clear Instagram app cache. For that, hold on Instagram for some time, click on icon. Now go to the storage and click on clear cache and clear data. So this should solve the problem. If you can still see the try again error, then update Instagram app. So for that, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. After you tap on Instagram, make sure that your app is up to date. As you can see, the app is up to date. If your app is not up to date, there will be an update icon. You need to make sure to click on that to check if you have the latest version installed or not. Also, if this doesn't solve your problem, then go to the notification bar and try switching your Wi-Fi connection. You can turn your Wi-Fi off and select on mobile data, or what you can do is click on airplane mode on, and after that again you can turn your Wi-Fi on. So this will solve the problem. If this also doesn't solve the problem, then you need to report the problem to the Instagram. So click on the app and shake your phone for 2 times and you will see a report problem icon. Click on report problem and click on include and continue. Now you need to explain the problem that you are facing and you can click on send. After that, the Instagram will check about the problem and this should solve your issue quickly. And that's it. Thank you for watching.